He has lost his key. He lost his key, but now he has found it.
They've gone away. They'll be back on Friday. They went away, but I think they're back at home now.
It has stopped raining now, so we don't need the umbrella.
I've repaired the washing machine. It's working okay now.
Oh, that's good.
Sally has had a baby. It's a boy.
That's great news. I've repaired the washing machine. It's working okay now.
Mozart was a composer. He wrote more than 600 pieces of music.
My mother grew up in Italy.
Did you know that somebody... Ow! I've burnt myself.
How did you do that?
I picked up a hot dish. Look, somebody has spilt something on the sofa.
Well, it wasn't me. I didn't do it.